Hey guys, Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a house we're looking to purchase. We're in Orleans Parish today in the 7th Ward. The story of this house is it's been in the family for a long time actually. So yeah, it's been around for a while. But there is a few successions to do on the property. So there's 5 owners, some from previous marriages, etc. So it's just a few people on title and a few things to address, but all of them actually, we've spoken to all of them, all aligned to sell. So we're pushing forward to purchase it. The title attorney will need to do some successions for them, but we do that as part of the sales process. You know, they were just ready to let it go. It was definitely sentimental, and to some more than others, but as what often happens when multiple people own a property, like it got into a bit of disrepair, and it becomes a bit messy as to who's going to pay or do and fix stuff. So often these houses get left just because, yeah, if you're one of 5 owners, like, you know, and no one else really wants to chip in, it's hard for you to put in your money. Even if you love the property, are you going to put up all the money and fix it and keep it, you know, in repair? And you know, if you do, everyone really benefits from that as well. And so if they're not lifting their weight, it can just make it hard. So we see it pretty often. You know, it's definitely sad, but we understand it. So they just came to realize that as much as they love the property, it's just deteriorating. And you may already see behind me, I don't know if you noticed already, the termites. Like, this will happen when this property's vacant, right? When it's vacant, it's not vacant. These termites always tend to move in, and you know, they don't pay rent and they do a lot of damage. So you know, this front room in here, like, I'm not even going to be able to walk on the floor. It's that dangerous. You know, you can see we almost went through already. So just this, we're not going to be able to walk on. You see the termite nest there. So, you know, they've really eaten this up. Apparently the foundation was wood right onto the ground. So it's, yeah, pretty much you're always going to get that. So you'll see, you know, definitely, you know, we needed some repairs. But that's okay. You know, we buy a house like this all the time. We don't mind making repairs. It's actually a duplex, triplex. So, you know, yeah, it's gonna need a lot of work. It's definitely not ready to sell, you know, to a homeowner or on the you know, through a realtor. Definitely needs work put into it before it's ready for that. And obviously the successions as well was one other complication which we're very used to dealing with. So, you know, if you have a house, maybe you've inherited the property and just want to sell it, maybe, you know, even if it hasn't gone through succession, that's fine. You know, if you are the heir, if the heirs are agreed in selling it, you can sign to sell it as the heirs, and the title attorney can do the succession as part of the paperwork, and then the money for the succession can come out of the proceeds of the sale, so you don't need to come out of pocket on it. We do that pretty regularly. Or maybe you've got a house that's just like this, it's, you know, got termite damage and it's, you know, needs work and you don't want to do the work. Reach out to us, Home Buyer Louisiana. We're happy to buy properties like this. We use our contractors, our expertise to fix it. That's how we get to add value. So, you know, we pay a fair price for the as-is condition, so like you'll get a good price for it, because what it costs us to fix a property, I'm sure is a lot less than you, unless you're a contractor or in the business. You know, if you're just a regular, you know, person who doesn't sell properties very often, I'm positive that we will be able to fix it up much cheaper. So, you know, we will pay you a fair price for the as-is condition, and then we add value by using our skills and our, you know, ability to do this effectively and do it regularly to, you know, add value to the property, and then we can either flip it and sell it to a homeowner all nice and done up, or often we'll keep them as a rental. And we haven't made our mind up with this one. It is a 3-plex, so very possible we'll keep this one. But thanks guys. If you want to talk about your property, give us a call or visit our website, homebuyerlouisiana.com. We're always happy to chat about your situation. No pressure. We definitely don't need to buy every house, you know, from everyone that calls us. You know, we're happy to have a conversation regardless of whether we buy it or not. But we can give you an offer. We can let you know where we'll be at, and you can take that offer as one of your options. And, you know, by all means, examine all options for your property. And if we end up in the right option, fantastic. Would love to close and, you know, make a nice, easy, smooth transaction. But if something else is better, we definitely wish you the best. You should do whatever's best for you. So no pressure at all when you give us a call. Thanks so much, guys. Have a good one.